Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to enable single-character keyboard shortcuts on Facebook Web using your PC. This is a really useful feature if you want to navigate Facebook faster without constantly using your mouse. Facebook has updated its settings layout, so if you've been looking for this option and couldn't find it, don't worry. I'll walk you through the exact steps. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, look for Display and Accessibility and click on it. This section contains different settings that control how Facebook looks and how you interact with it. After that, click on Keyboard. This is where Facebook lets you manage keyboard shortcuts and customize how they work for you. Now you'll see the option for single-character shortcuts. These are shortcuts that allow you to press just one key on your keyboard to quickly perform actions like navigating between sections. To enable this feature, simply choose On under Single-Character Shortcuts. That's it. The feature is now activated, and you can start using keyboard shortcuts immediately to speed up your Facebook browsing experience. If you ever feel like the shortcuts are interfering with your typing, you can always come back to this same section and turn them off. This small setting can make a big difference, especially if you use Facebook frequently on your computer. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this to get the most out of your apps and devices.